So some of you have been asking, what do I do when I'm entering my second number to ensure that I don't get a duplicate? So um, if we look at how we've set up the first number and exiting when the number is between 1 and 49, uh, we can just copy and paste below for the second number. But we don't want to exit only because the number is between 1 and 49. We have to add to this. We have to also make sure that N2 is not equal to N1. So here we're going to get our N2, make sure that N2 is in the right number range, make sure that it doesn't equal the first number we've got, and then when we place it in the box, we're going to place it in the second box and not be equals. If we run this now, we can see entering a 23 twice, we're told their number has to be between 1 and 49. Please try again. So we're almost there, but we don't have the proper error message. So if we get past this line of code, that means that there's something wrong. So it could be a duplicate. It might be in the wrong number range. So we'll need to wipe out whatever line was below and now look to see what's wrong. So if N2 equals N1, then we know that we have a duplicate number. You may not enter duplicates. Please try again. Else if. Now we can look at this line and switch it up. So now if N2 is less than 1 or N2 is greater than 49, actually to eliminate having to put this line in the if and the else if, I'm going to place it above. Now I don't need to copy it. Let me just restructure this. So this line and this line are done conditionally based off of the condition given above. So if we have a duplicate, you may not enter duplicates. Please try again. If our number was in the wrong number range, your number must be between 1 and 49. Please try again. End if. We'll loop back up and have to try again. Let's see what happens now. Okay, enter 23. Try 23 again. You may not enter duplicates. Please try again. Now notice now that my number has wiped out what it was ahead of time, but when we did number 2, we already had the first number sitting there, so that might be something we want to fix as well. Let's put in 32 and we go on. What if at this point we don't want to see anything here? So as soon as we're out of the loop, let's not only wipe out this second line, but let's wipe out the first as well. So if I take these two lines of code and after the loop, locate and put in a blank here. So after the second loop, I will do the same thing. And try this and see if it even looks better. So type in your first number. I'm going to go for 122. Uh-oh, wrong number range. How about a 9? Beautiful. Type in, oops, I didn't change first to second. I'll just fix that so I don't miss it. Second. Type in your second number. That should say second. So if I try a duplicate, whoops, trying the duplicate in the wrong place. You guys never do anything like that, right? Duplicate. You may not enter duplicates. Try something out of the number range. Your number must be between 1 and 49. Let's try a good number. There we go. Okay, so that's how you end up giving a proper error message and exiting the loop when you do not have duplicates. Keep adding to this exit when. Hope that helps.